Why are we making DIY mask sewing kits? Well, there were a lot of people in our town who welcomed a more comfortable design, but they didn't have anything that was working for them. Our family also struggled with the current homemade options, and so I began to search to find a mask with better features. A mask that really is more comfortable, a mask that fits well, a mask I can actually breathe in, and one that has a filter pocket built right into it and high quality filters with no dyes. A mask that you can just throw in the washer and the dryer. I wished I could make masks for everyone who wanted one, but I knew I needed a better idea. I know lots of people love to sew. How about take everything you need for this special mask and provide it all in one ready-to-sew kit with the pre-cut fabrics, great DIY instructions, filters, flexible nose piece, everything you need, all in one kit.